Hey, we're down at the West Bottoms. It's not from here, it's west part of downtown Kansas City. Oh, we got people moving in. We are actually at a nice little car show here on a Sunday. It is I'm gonna use my cheat sheet here, Brick City Nights Car Show. And this is actually put on by RB's Adrenaline Factory. And we're gonna talk to him and talk to Ben and some other guys that are part of it. The park, it's this park. It's got a caboose and I'll overlay something. Yeah, that park. That's where we're at. But we still got a lot of people to show up yet, I think, today. It was raining earlier. I think we're done for the rest of the day in the rain, so this might be a nice little turnout. It's gonna go on for some hours. There is some judging in the show. And no, we're not entering the Nissan today, so we're just here to have some fun, shoot some video. Let's go check out the show.
Right there.
We're in a 2019 Civic Type R, and I know we've talked about we were going to get in one. We're going to get one on the road, but now we're in one for now. But we get it started up. We're in a show, so we're not going to take off with it since it's in a show. Let's check it out. I don't know if you've ever been in the video or not. You might as well introduce yourself. There you go.
How's it going? I'm Ryan.
And this is Ryan's car. Now you used to have a
Yes.
you used to have a Veloster.
Yes.
And we are in a much better upgrade, right?
Oh yeah, 1,000 times, 1,000 times better. So I had a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. It was a little over. I had about 228 to 230 on horsepower, and this is about a times 10 of an upgrade. I mean, if you can tell from the seats, like even though they're racing seats, I mean, the car, they're comfortable. Like
it's what they've done now. A lot of people talk about how they feel like they overstyled and they over-engineered, they overdid the R, but that's the R. That's the Type R. What they could do, everything is functional in the car though.
Yeah.
The spoiler's functional. The spoiler's functional. The seats. I mean, it's not just done for aesthetics. It's functional. I think Honda knows what they're doing. I mean,
Oh yeah.
When it comes to making a car more of a serious
and like
contender,
they say, they gave us the weaker version. They have a better one in Japan.
Always Japan.
Always.
You and me, Everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It chose the way. Not looking for no, cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun has come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Yeah, this ain't sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no, cause I got you. I got you. No one show us up, show my own. All that I need. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories. Now the sun's come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love.
I just want to say congratulations on the one of the winners of the raffle that has not been drawn yet, but with the fact that he has 187,000 tickets, I think he's going to win. Okay, there is someone who bought more. Sorry for the first loser. Good luck. Good luck.
I'm just a spectator.
Tell Jay his speaker's fun.
I got a Corvette, that's it.
Just a plain old Corvette.
Well, it is.
You've
It's
seen
an
it.
87 with an LT1. Carbureted.
He's very modest about his car, isn't he? Now this guy back here just ruined the shot.
Yep. He made it after all.
I was got a Ford hat on.
Good luck on your wins. Thank you. Winnings. Plural. Well, it's a fun show. We got a stranger that showed up, lurking in the background over there. What'd you think of this show? This is the first RV Adrenaline Factory show. He's silent. That's all. That's what he has to say. He's
So you
silent.
wanted a name? I'll look it up.
I said, what do you think of RV Adrenaline Factory's first show?
Pretty good show. Nice little turnout. Granted, I got hit a little later. I heard there was a few more cars earlier, but there's still been a lot rolling in and out.
Unfortunately,
Roll in quiet and leave loud, though. So
yeah. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to stick around for the winnings of the trophies, so you check out what they're going to be winning in the trophies. I'll try to find out who it was that won or whatever it is. Maybe we can post a picture or something of the car with the video on Craving Cars with Facebook and kind of do something like that for you. But we're going to be out. We're going to take the last little final thing, and we're going to talk with Robert from RV Adrenaline Factory, who's the one responsible for putting the show on. And of course, now we are here with the star of the show, of what's reason that this has become reality from RV's Adrenaline Factory. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Robert, owner of RB's Adrenaline Factory. We got a decent first actual shop show going on down here. We're going to do another one mid-September sometime, but we're just kind of pitching this for a start for a possible Motor Trend TV show. So they kind of wanted to see what the KC car scene was about and what we can provide. I think it came out pretty good for a first-time show. So
Yeah.
hopefully we'll get a good kickoff for the next one with a lot more notice. This was kind of a really spur-of-the-moment pop-up kind of thing, but the weather's holding up, and hopefully we get a lot more in. We're giving about $1,500 worth of raffle ticket prizes away, and then top place best of show and runner-up best of show also get party packs, Snap-on gear, and
Yeah, the prizes and the raffle stuff was pretty killer that I looked over there and saw that. The
Yeah.
trophies, of course, look pretty unique too.
Yeah,
Very nice on the
the
trophies.
West Bottoms, we got a lot of good stuff going on down here, and a lot of the shops local participated in some pretty good giveaways.
Very nice. Okay.
A bunch of nice stuff.
Well, very cool. And I'm kind of glad. Obviously, this is a nice little area too.
Yeah, it is, and a lot of it's in the shade, being under the highway.
Yeah, it'll be a decent day. We've had some rain. You guys, if you're not from here, we've had some ridiculous rain going on yesterday, and this was kind of a fear of it could have been rained.
Yeah, we were hoping that it was going to be a big turnout today because the 2 large car shows that were supposed to happen yesterday got canceled.
Yep.
And this is a really nice area that we got the opportunity to lock down anytime we want it, pretty much. And it's nice to be able to have some shade. Like a lot of those other parking lots, we got I-70 here is blessing us with this shade. So
yeah, a
so
lot
it's
of
gonna
them
turn
you're
out
being
good.
baked a lot for the whole
Oh,
time,
yeah.
unless you're someone that shows up with some kind of a tent or
Yeah.
Whatever. But
Yeah, for
hey.
sure.
Robert, thanks for putting this on. I mean,
Yeah.
this is good. It's always seeing someone locally, and obviously your shop. We've been in your shop before, and just kind of like we haven't done like a full video of your shop yet.
Yeah.
But I know you're expanding that a little bit, and we probably should. What do you
Yeah.
think about that?
Yeah, we definitely should. We got to go back through and do some updates for Motor Trend on the shop and the layout and stuff, and we're kind of going back and forth with the setup on how we're going to split it between fabrication and maintenance side stuff.
And that's pretty cool that you kind of get together with Motor Trend and stuff like that. So that's
Yeah.
very awesome as well. And well, yeah, there you go. But here, let me switch to this hand. Oh, I do this to myself all the time. That way we can proper shake.
Oh yeah.
And I just want to
Well, I appreciate you
Craving
coming
Cars
out
and appreciate, of course, you putting a show on so I can be out here shooting this and showing everybody the awesome stuff that we have here in Kansas
Yeah,
City
it's
area.
good to have a great hangout of good people and kind of keep the car scene going. I mean, there's always lots and lots of car shows, so we're trying to make it like more of a diverse thing. I'm known for being kind of one of the guys in the drift scene, so we get a lot of those kind of cars, which isn't everybody's cup of tea, but some of them are outused and outplayed, but they're daily fun. So
Yeah, and
it's good. We got a good mix of everything.
We've seen some of your cars out there drifting before at
Oh, yeah.
Speak and stuff,
Yeah.
so that's really cool. Thanks again.
Yep.
Appreciate
Take
it.
care.
We've had a fun time out here with Arby's Adrenaline Factory and putting on their show. And so this is Corey with Craving Cars. We are signing out for the day. And to all you cravers out there,
Keep craving.
it's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. No? It's not a good one, is it? It's a bad joke? Okay. Okay. Well, we've had a fun time out here with Arby's Adrenaline. What is that noise? It's been nice out here. Sun keeps messing with the lighting. It's out, it's not out. All right. You want to say bye, Steven?
Bye, Stu.
See you later. We're out.